Hey, welcome back to another video. Me and Jack are off to Milford Sound today. Excited, buddy? Super excited. Early in the morning, just waiting for the bus. Clear over the Marakables today. On a cloud and sky. Down the end of the lake, little bits of pink in the clouds. So it looks like a good morning. Little streaky clouds and stuff, but nothing thick that's going to block anything out, so it should be good. Just waiting for the bus to come to pick us up, and then we'll be off. Rightio. Let's hit that intro. Okay, we're in Milford Sound finally. And tricky to shoot with a boat and very windy. But what a gorgeous spot. Harsh light too. Come around to the back of the boat. That's where we've come from. Pretty sensational.
Tourist on point to the front of us out there is St. Anne's Point, marks the southern entrance into Milford. It is also where our local lighthouse is situated out there.
How good is that? So that's the Tasman Sea out there, where everyone's looking. So that's the west coast of New Zealand.
Bowen named this waterfall after Captain Stirling. In fact, it was on the same cruise he named Bowen Falls up the fjord there after his wife, Lady Elizabeth Bowen. We'll probably end up getting a fairly close look at this Stirling Falls here this afternoon. There's not a lot of water coming over there at the moment. I haven't seen it much smaller than this in over 20 years due to the lack of rain. But yeah, I'll get you in there and I'll try my best to try and get you a glacial facial. Just be careful with any electronics around the front. Otherwise, don't be shy. It's really quite refreshing.
Gonna get wet, Jackie? Oh, nice, beautiful waterfall. Straight to glacial water, straight off the mountains. Stirling Falls. And the captain of the boat just taking everyone in to try and get them all wet. See a few cameras getting ruined here. Sun right behind it, so it's terrible light to shoot up at it. At the moment, you probably want the morning light, I guess, for a good shot of that. But now they're all up the front, to the back of the boat empty, so I can show you how gorgeous this fjordland is. Look at those mountains. Just all carved out by glaciers. All rough as. Pretty cool. Just got the 200 800 on, and I'm just trying to isolate some stuff at the moment, so I'm going to just wait till he backs off a bit. Wait until he backs off a bit before I can get into the waterfall. There's a little one on the side. I'll show you now. just in there. I'm going to try and isolate that with that beautiful green moss on the side. Some of the little trickles up above. So that's Mount Pembroke in the background. I just did some video on the R6 with the 200/8 to get right up in there, so hopefully I can put that up there. I don't think the sound was any good, but still got snow on it in the middle of summer, on a hot day. And then look at the rest of that. That's pretty amazing. Unbelievable. So good. Gonna have a full memory card tonight. Hopefully I've got something nice. Tricky with the light, it's pretty, there's some cloud around but it's pretty blown out. But lots of the trees are so green, it's just really good. And there's still a bit of contrast, especially with that snow. You can see up there that snow with the rock, looks pretty awesome. Okay, heading back into where we come from, so not far away. Pretty much plane off to the right there, coming through the gap. It's coming into land, it looks like. Light planes to come in, pick up some people and take some people fly back to Queenstown from here. She's a long drive on the bus, so if you're not if you get car sick or whatever, definitely probably think about the plane or helicopter. In the plane was about $400 and the helicopter was $1,000 one way, so not cheap. But if you're not partial, if you get car sick, it's a good way to get here and not feel terrible. But yeah, pretty much that's not much else we're going to be able to get out of this one. But what a beautiful place in the world. Very lucky. Okay, done and dusted. We're not far till we get back to the boat ramp. Just about there. It's been good. Yeah, just haven't stopped shooting. Had a quick bite to eat and then just went to town. I've had the 24 to 105 on to start with most of the time, or the first probably 10-20 minutes, and then put the big girl on, and that's been good. And just really working, isolating a little bit of video as well of that snow up there, so that was good. Try and hope to get a little bit of close-up footage of that. That looks really cool. And yeah, what a special place. Very cool. Couldn't be happier right now. Big smile on my face. The light was very bright, very tricky. Middle of the day, not ideal for photography. Nice and clear so you can see the top of the mountains. But I would have preferred maybe early in the morning or late in the afternoon. The next boat out is coming a little bit later so you get that sun's away from the top of the sky. It's just yeah, sort of blown out a little touch, but definitely can't complain. And you get that, pretty cool. Alright, peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.